In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a landing page in Constant Contact. Whether you're promoting an event, launching a product, or encouraging signups, landing pages are essential for converting visitors into customers or subscribers. Let's dive in and take it step by step. First, get started by searching Constant Contact on Google. Once you've found it, click on the link to visit the Constant Contact website. Now locate and click on the Login button that's typically found in the upper right corner of the page. Go ahead and enter your login details to access your account. If you don't have an account yet, you'll need to sign up, but we're going to assume you've already done that. Once you're logged in, you'll see the dashboard. On the left-hand side, click on Channels. This will open up a variety of choices, but today we're focusing on landing pages. Select that option to proceed. Next up is a prominent button saying Create a Landing Page. Click on it. At this point, you'll see several different templates to choose from. For this tutorial, we'll focus on creating a sign-up page. Choose this template and click on Sign Up. This will bring you to an editing screen where you can customize various aspects of the landing page. A key element of customization is changing images to better fit your branding. To do this, click on any existing image and an option to replace will appear. Click Replace, which allows you to choose a new image. Once you've chosen the image, click the plus sign to add it. You can continue to adjust the layout by adding elements like buttons or additional text fields to make the page as engaging as possible. Once you're happy with how it looks, click on Continue to save your progress. The next step involves finalizing the destination for captured lead information. Click on Select List to choose which contact list new signups should be added to. After selecting your list, click Continue. You're almost done. Review your landing page and the settings. If everything looks good, click Activate to make the landing page live. This means your landing page is now ready to share, and you can start capturing information and nurturing your leads. There you go. You've learned how to create a landing page in Constant Contact. From choosing templates to activating the final page, each step plays a crucial role in converting visitors into valuable leads or clients. Always remember to check your landing page periodically to update content and images to keep it fresh and relevant. Thanks for following along with this tutorial, and best of luck with your campaigns.